All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful glass, bubble glass light for your kitchen, for your bathroom, for your entrances. This is this is an indoor, all right, and this is real glass, but look at the beautiful design. So it's gonna reflect with the light, depending on the light bulb, the brightness of your light bulb, all right? So you could add 2 light bulbs in here. Very simple to install. All you gotta do is put the back in, and it comes with everything, including the wrench to tighten up the actual adjusted heights, all right, and also to power it up. So I'm going to put this together and see how it looks today. So let's set it up, but before we do, I'm going to show you a couple things you should know. There's 3 cables that you should be aware. There's ground, there's neutral, and there's hot. Ground will be the copper cable, which goes on this end here on the green where it says ground. That's where you're going to have to set it up. So let's put this together. All right, so I'm going to set this one up first. All right, here's the final product, guys. If you guys can see it, we put LED lights. These are actually 60, so they're shining pretty bright in here, if you guys can see. But you can make it brighter if you put 100s. But as you can see, they're soft tone. I actually could dim these lights out. That's why I put the light bulbs. All right, so shining the whole place away. Very intuitive to set up. Beautiful looking lights. I like the glass. Doesn't reflect any bubbles on the wall or anything, but it looks outstanding. If you want to use this for your entrance, your kitchen. Hope you guys enjoy the video.